What's up, guys? Happy Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Should we do a Would You Rather Wednesday?
Yeah.
All right.
Wheel of Fortune, Would You Rather Wednesday.
A lot of alliteration on Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, guys. Hope everyone's feeling okay. I'm not. My stuff kind of feels weird. My legs are tired. My lower back is tired. My shoulders and triceps are also tired. So it's a good. Everything's tired. So it's a good thing we have a workout today that's going to make you feel great. Fantastic. Today we have 21, 15, 9 dumbbell squat cleans and burpees over the dumbbell. Sounds great. I'm excited just thinking about it. Sarah and I are going to do it with 2 dumbbells. You guys only have to use whatever you have at home. So that's exciting for you.
Yeah.
Not so exciting for us. All right. Would you rather? Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Question number 1. I guess we always do food, fitness, and then like something weird.
Yes.
All right. So question number 1. We covered what? Desserts last week?
Yeah, it was between banana cream and then meringue.
All right, cool. So, question number 1, would you rather have a bacon cheeseburger or a pepperoni pizza? Bacon cheeseburger? Good answer. All right, fitness question. Would you rather do 45 dumbbell squat cleans or 45 burpees?
But probably burpees.
Yeah, probably burpees. We get to do both today, so that's exciting.
That's great.
That's very exciting.
The combination is even better.
I'm excited about that. And the last question is, would you rather take a selfie in your apartment or use tear gas to clear out a crowd and take a selfie with the Bible?
I would rather take a selfie.
Oh, how about that? That's really responsible. Really responsible.
I tried.
That's
Today
great.
I'm
That's
feeling
great.
responsible.
That's great. Not very presidential, but responsible.
Not very presidential of me, but you know.
Yeah. All right, guys. So today, like I mentioned, we're going to do dumbbell squat cleans and burpees, jumping over your dumbbell or stepping over your dumbbell. We'll go over substitutions for folks who only have one dumbbell or one kettlebell at home. But we're going to start off with a little skill EMOM for 6 minutes. So minute number 1, we're just going to be working on pistol squats and a couple of different progressions there. And then minute number 2, just practicing handstand walking or handstand holding in some variety. So we'll get a little bit of skill work, and then we'll get nice and steady. Cool? A-okay. All right, cool. Let's start by moving around a little bit. We're going to so today we're going to start off with a toe touch into a squat. So this one I'll show you from the side. What you're going to do is do a big back crack. Then you're going to tap your toes, stand up, squat. So it looks a lot like the clean that we're going to be doing today. So once again, crack the back, tap the toes, squat, repeat. Cool? Everyone's going to give me 10 repetitions here, or like 30 seconds, whatever comes first. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So reach up in the air, tap your toes, squat. It's pretty much a squat clean without having any weight in your hands. You can step forward a little bit, Sarah. Make your out frame. There we go. Cool. So reach overhead, tap your toes, then squat. That's it. Already feeling it. We can't really do it with weight, right?
I can't wait to have 70 pounds to do that movement with.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Sure. Oh baby. Everyone, give me one more rep, whether you've done 10 or not. One more. All right, and once you get down here, stay at the bottom of a squat. Let's just loosen up the ankles a bit. So from this position, let's go ahead and shift your knee in line with your toe, and then shove that front knee out of the way. Get a nice stretch of that front hip. Then switch to the other side at your own pace here. So once again, like always when warming up pistols, the goal is to get your hips, ankles, and everything in between warmed up. So kind of do whatever feels good to you and your torso today. Or lower half, I should say. Yeah. I don't feel great. I feel a lot of things today.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot. Not as many feelings as an Olympic weightlifter, but I feel some feelings in my body. So many feelings. All right. Everyone, go ahead and make yourself symmetrical. So one more rep if you need to balance it out. Okay, then go ahead and stand on up. All right, next up, let's just go ahead and get some of the unpleasantness out of the way. Everyone just give me 5 burpees, jumping or stepping over your apparatus for the day. Cool? Go.
Pleasantness. Commence.
We can move ourselves a little bit.
Yeah.
There we go. Adjust camera settings. All right, next up, let's get a little bit unilaterally warm here, so one leg at a time. Let's go ahead and go into a kneeling position. So your choice, one leg in back, one leg in front. All right, so we're just gonna start by standing up. 3 on one side, go ahead. So let's have the shoelace facing down, stand up, then bring it back. Good, if you wanna make it more challenging, notice Sarah's kind of letting that back leg hang out. You wanna show them from the side there. Stand, keep that back leg from touching the floor. Really working on that unilateral balance. Using our arms here to help us reach. All right, now to escalate it. We're going to try to lift that back foot off the ground and do the same thing and not look like complete idiots.
Fools.
Fools, damn fools. All right, so for this one, pick that back leg up and here comes the hot sauce. Reach for it. Hello. All right, that was actually okay. I'd recommend alternating these. So let's do 6 total. 3 on the right, 3 on the left, switching. It's actually one of the better first ones of the day I've done. Oh, okay.
This one's always a little, in some ways this is more interesting than just doing a pistol.
A pistol, yeah.
But
yeah.
I would not have said that if I was working on getting pistols.
Sure. Yeah. That like outer quad, outer IC band, let you know there's some tension in there. Yeah. Struggle through it, guys. Struggle through it.
Come on, little guy.
Ah! It was easy. Everybody would have the ability to do 50 front squats or 50 pistol squats in a minute. So struggle through it, guys. That's how we get better.
Meg can.
Yeah, that makes a gangster.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
She can also do wrist push-ups and weird shit. Have you ever done those?
Wrist push-ups, how do you do them?
Like the.
Oh, I've seen those before. Yeah.
Yeah, where you have your hands down, you push up. I'm just like, I feel like they're gonna crack.
Let's
I
see.
think this is my 7th, but I'm
All
gonna
right.
do it anyway.
Well, challenge accepted. Let's see if I can do it. Hands warming up. This is like this?
Yes.
Like this?
Yes.
That looks like very painful.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, that hurts. That hurts. That's not comfortable. But I can understand how it would make you better at stuff. We're not doing any of those today.
We're not doing that.
All right, cool. So that's one of our basic subs today for our pistol. So during the first minute of our EMOM, I just want you guys working on pistols in some capacity. If you're someone like Meg who can do 1,000 in a minute, you're not necessarily trying to do as many as you can do in a minute. I would actually, Meg ran away. I would actually recommend just doing tempo squats. If you're someone that can do pistols, maybe slow them down, think like a 2-second descent, hang out at the bottom, and then really focus on controlling it up. I really don't want anyone doing any more than 10 repetitions during the minute. Save your legs for the MetCon, okay? And then minute number 2, we're just gonna get upside down and practice something. So it might be you kicking up against the wall. We can go over some of the progressions that we've done in the past, like maybe our little headstand thing, like this. If you wanna work on a little bit of midline, maybe your shoulders are tired from Monday, you don't feel like kicking upside down and putting all that weight onto your hands. But the whole idea, do something upside down for like 35 or 40 seconds. Cool? Anyone have any questions at home? Sumas? Nope? Cool. So once again, minute 1, we are doing pistol squats in some variety, limiting ourselves to 10 reps at the maximum. This is not a repetition contest, this is a move well contest, so slow it down, do some tempo pistols if you have them, and if not, going over that progression we just did in the beginning. Cool? I'm gonna struggle through some pistols and try not to fall on my butt. All right. Do we have the remote? Oh, there it is. Oh, wow. How about that?
Yeah.
How about that?
Remember that time that you started the clock?
I started the clock?
Yeah.
I did that? I did that. Fake news. Fake
It's
news.
Wednesday!
Fake news. Fake news. I didn't do anything. All right. All right, guys. Pistol squats. All right. Practicing. Watch André fall on his butt. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Oh, hey, maybe that practice we did last week helped.
Maybe.
How about that? What would be
It
worse?
was not.
No. So last week we did, what did we do?
We basically did this.
Yeah, but trying not. So that's a substitution. If you lose your balance at the bottom, just roll and do a sit-up, get up. Just roll with it, roll with it. Roll with the punches. Very valuable skill in CrossFit and in pistol squat.
We did tempo pistols and then
Handstand practice.
hand-
How about that?
handstand
Making you guys do the
practice.
same stuff I make myself do. That's how we all get fit together.
Woo!
This one doesn't want me to stay down there. All right, guys. Go ahead and start to relax. Minute number 2, we're gonna practice some handstand stuff. I'm gonna practice I'm just gonna try to hold my handstand in place. I can walk around pretty good, but I can't just hold it. So I'm gonna play with that.
Alright.
All right, guys. 3, 2, 1, do something.
I'm
Do
gonna try
something.
to walk off the frame.
All right. There you go. I believe in you. Go, Sarah, go. Point those toes. You started walking with your arms before your
Well, I know.
feet
I
were
started
set.
losing my balance. So this
Fair.
is-
Fair. Let's go, guys.
We're at 30 seconds, guys.
That was okay. That was one of my longer freestanding handstand holds. That was good.
Yeah.
I quit CrossFit. See ya.
And then he never came back.
Screw you guys. And our 20-year lease, I ain't coming back. All right, pistol squats coming up next. All right, guys, we're going in. A 3, a 2, 1. Do things with one leg at a time. Let's go. For those of you practicing pistols, a couple of different options. Notice here, Sarah's grabbing onto her foot. If you have the flexibility to do so, it probably will help you a lot in terms of your balance. The other thing is just reach those arms in front. Pistols are all about counterbalance. Cool. Oh, crunchy knees.
Woo.
This one doesn't want me to stand up. That will not count in competition.
Does it not?
No.
It's cool though.
It is cool. It is cool. Nice party trick. Makes me feel like I'm not a waste of life. I still did it. Look. All right. I did it. See, the first round I couldn't get a single one on my left side.
Oh really?
Yeah, sorry, that was my first one. Oh, hello, don't fall down. All right, guys, another couple of seconds here of practice. There we go. All right, relax. Woo. Good practice for Friday. We're hint, hint. We're doing a lot of pistols on Friday.
I forgot.
Yeah, yeah.
I can only think of the present day.
That's all you should focus on. All right, guys, handstand
And
walk.
yoga. I can count on
I'm very excited about tomorrow. Do you have your wind chime music?
Always.
All right, great.
Oh, we're already in
Yeah,
our
I know,
handstand practice.
I know.
Oh, God.
Handstand stuff. Go. Do stuff. Don't pay attention to me and Sarah. Nice, Meg. Yeah. There you go. All right. Let's see if I can do it for like 5 seconds.
Almost a good handstand.
That was not a good start. My legs went a little crazy. The little frog man there.
Woo. And we're at 45, guys. That's
All right.
nice.
Getting there. Getting there.
When I can do the tripod into a press out into a hold, I'll be like, I've made it.
That'll be a PR day. All right, let's see.
Yes, it'll be a PR day.
All right, guys. Final round coming up. Let's see how the Zoomers are doing. Probably better than me and Sarah. Let's go, guys. Do something cool for the kids at home. There you go. Nice, Sarah. You got skills to pay the bills. That's it, guys. Yeah, she can squat. That is for certain. Let's go. That's okay. Overrated skill, balance. Skills, balance. If I can do 4 really fast. Ah! Not really fast.
Moderately fast.
Controlled fast. Controlled fast. Cool. All right, I'll take it. Delightful. All right, guys, final round. Nice, Meg. Look at Meg. Doing all kinds of crazy stuff.
What is she doing?
She was doing a squat like this.
Oh!
Yeah. Try it, Sarah.
A figure 4 pistol?
Challenge accepted. Let's go. Is that easier?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, Meg, you're not a pressure. Just kidding.
It depends. It probably depends on your anatomy.
if you're flexible, if you're not flexible, it's probably very hard.
If you can't do lotus, not easier.
Challenge accepted. Oh, this is about as low I can go.
Yeah.
Yep. All
What
right,
did
so
you say,
Meg,
Meg?
so Meg, you still win.
Oh, we're supposed to be doing handstands,
handstand
guys.
walking,
We're supposed to be doing handstands.
Very focused today. Very focused today.
Very focused.
It's gonna be a hot one today. 90 degrees.
Jeez.
I'm excited about that.
No.
No.
Why?
I'm not. I'm kidding. I'm really kidding.
People genuinely say that sometimes, and I'm like, you're actually crazy.
All right, guys. Go ahead and relax. Go get a sip of water. And then grab your weighted object. It's time to start talking about serious things. All right. Yeah. The moment we've all been waiting for. All right. I'm gonna grab a kettlebell so we can demo.
Kettlebell things. Meg, what were you saying about your pistols? Your figure 4 pistols? Oh, I see. You're dependent on the counterbalance. Yes. See, I'm
challenging.
I'm entirely dependent on leg strength.
No balance.
And prayers. And prayers. I can pray from any position.
Jewish prayer.
Jewish prayer. I've done Jewish prayers. I've done Catholic prayers.
Whatever.
Whoever's paying me that day. You know?
Whoever's paying attention to you that day.
Yes.
Will you help me finish this workout in under 6 minutes? I'll believe in you today. All right. So, dumbbell squat clean. What do these look like? From the floor, you're gonna stand up, squat, and then stand up again, okay? The dumbbells must touch the ground every time. If you only have one dumbbell, I'll show you that option. If you happen to have two at home, here's what it looks like. So from the ground, you're going to stand up, jump under, stand up all the way, tap with one head of the dumbbell, then repeat, okay? If you only have one dumbbell, Sarah, do you want to show that?
Yes.
So same rules apply, still only one head of your dumbbell is going to touch the floor. So you can either go to the side or between your legs, whatever you prefer. Whatever you prefer, right? So what I'd recommend is just switching about halfway through, so maybe do 11 on the set of 21, 11 on one side, 10 on the other, set of 15, 8 on one, 7 on the other, and a set of 9, maybe just hold on to it and go really fast. Cool. If you have a kettlebell, just a couple of options. Option 1, if you want to do it unilaterally, you do not have to touch your kettlebell to the floor. So for these, we're gonna go between the legs, up on the shoulder, squat, stand, nice and easy, just like that, right? The other option is to do it, if it's a super heavy kettlebell for you, you can do a single arm kettlebell clean, or sorry, double arm. So for these, starting it like a kettlebell swing, between the legs, catch it, squat, stand, between the legs, catch, squat, stand. Cool?
Much like a med ball clean,
See.
but with a heavier object.
Yeah, so what I want everyone to do right now at home, whatever your object is, just give me 4 reps. 4.
Whoa!
Remember, for dumbbell people, only one head of your dumbbell has to physically touch the floor. There you go, Jen. You guys, make sure to stand up all the way.
Yeah.
TED Talk.
TED Talk, stand up all the way.
If you do your clean like this, and then you start bringing your dumbbell down before your hips have extended all the way, that is a no rep. You're just cheating yourself and the gods of fitness. Do not anger the gods of fitness. Woo. All right. So, strategy on this workout. Depends on how hard you want to go, right? I'm still not sure how hard I want to go today. So my main goal personally, is I want to do all of my cleans unbroken. I'm not going to be doing them as fast as possible. I'm just going to be focusing on breathing. I kind of timed it out yesterday, and doing a squat clean at a steady pace takes like 4-ish, maybe 5 seconds, all right? So our goal here is to try to finish that first round of 21 front squats in under 2 minutes. All right, if you go unbroken, it'll probably take you anywhere between 1 minute and 1 minute and 30 seconds, depending on how tall or short you may be. After that, I'm gonna go into my burpees. I'm gonna take my time on my first 2 sets of burpees, really just to manage my heart rate. After doing a big set like that, I'm gonna be feeling a certain kind of way. So for my burpees, I'm probably gonna do the step through method. So for these, I'll drop to the floor, and then step, jump, and try to kind of catch my breath on the burpees, okay? Set of 15, same thing, try to go unbroken, step through on the burpees, and that set of 9, I'm gonna try to go like the devil is chasing after me, all right? Other options for folks at home is break up your squat cleans into 3 sets. So maybe on that first set, we're doing 7, 7, 7 with like a 10-second rest in between, and then just kind of getting through your burpees. On the set of 15, maybe doing 5, 5, 5. And then I really want everyone to try, when you get to that set of 9, to hold on and go unbroken, especially for those of you who only have one dumbbell or one kettlebell. Cool? Sarah, what's your strategy? What do you want to do?
Well,
Survive.
survive. I think, depending on how things start going, I tend to not be able to control myself very well, so I might break up my cleans into 2 sets at the beginning, and then try to stay consistent on the burpees, just keep moving.
You'll catch me on the burpees every time. I bet. Oh no, I'm breaking.
Question. Yeah. Yeah, it'll depend on how hot I go right out of the gate, and then I'm gonna kind of manage things from there.
Yeah.
So if you're like me and you tend to go too fast out the gate, maybe just plan on taking some breaks.
Yeah. Going very fast in the beginning very seldom helps.
It doesn't.
Very seldom.
Sometimes we start and we've made a mistake. And you just have to fix it from there.
Remember, it's not about your first 9 reps, it's about your last 9 reps. Yeah, we can crank the music a little bit. Those of you at home, I encourage you to turn your jams up. If you're on YouTube, I'll probably have some kind of music on top of it. But if you like your own music better, let it ride. Tell Brooklyn! Oh, gold on the ceiling. We do not own the rights to gold on the ceiling. All right, guys, 10 minutes to win it. That means you only have to do 9 reps per minute. So worst case scenario, do 9 reps, chill until the end of the minute, do another 9 reps, chill, and you guys will all finish. It's not gonna feel great, but we can all finish today. Cool? All right, let me move this back a little bit. All right, CrossFit for time and repetitions. Everybody good? You good?
Yeah.
All right, 10 seconds. I think this is a Sarah's gonna win kind of day. She won Monday, I won yesterday, I think you'll win today. 2, 1, let's go.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. 'Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold in the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we bleed. Oh, getting caught in the mist, there's so many that never get out of. We're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we go and we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide. Baby, 'cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. Gonna let the world know.
So guys, try to make yourself physically jump over it. Every time. Almost there.
It's not a crowd here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing oh, everybody's singing oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way. Just say you want me to.
Okay, last
Got nothing to lose. You're looking so you're looking so now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell
Hey, guys.
me what you wanna do.
Nice job, Chin. Up there.
When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. When I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
Come on, Dre!
We can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You gotta go.
Go, guys.
You gotta go.
Oh, man.
I don't know what
Go, guys, at home.
it's about you.
Keep it up.
It must be in the way. Just say you want me to.
Go, guys.
Nothing new.
You got this.
So,
Come on.
so
If you're done.
I'm moving closer to
Keep
you,
your shoes off.
and it's getting dark in this room.
Oh, man.
Come
Tell
on,
me
guys!
what you wanna do. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make
Good
me
stuff, Seven. Thanks.
when I look at you smile. I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you.
Let's go, athletes. Come on, Angela. Let's go, Fredericks.
Come on, Jan and Alex!
Alyssa, let's go. Let's go, Jeanette. Woo. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. Got about a minute 40 left on the clock. Let's go.
Keep working, guys!
Woo. Almost there, guys. Come on. Let's work. Keep it up, keep it up. Woo. Nice job, ladies on Zoom. Woo. Keep it up, guys. Come on. You got this. Let's go. Woo. We're at 8:35. Let's go, guys. Keep it up. Woo. You got this, guys. Come on. Let's go. All right, guys. Those of you at home, starting our final minute here. Now it's time to go faster. If you're on that set of 9, don't even think about dropping that dumbbell or kettlebell. Go fast on those burpees. Let's go, guys. Come on. You got this. Final 55 seconds. We gotta go right now. Come on, guys. Go, Angela. Finish it. Come on, let's go. You gotta go. Come on. Let's go. There it is. Come on, Angela.
Lie down, get up!
There we go. Come on.
Right back down, up!
We're at 9 minutes, 20 seconds for everyone at home. Let's go, guys. Come on. Time to finish. Let's go. You got this. Come on. Final 30 seconds, guys. We gotta go right now. Right now. Come on. Go, 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 go. Finish the workout. You got this. Nice job, Angela. Woo.
Almost there, guys.
You guys have 20 seconds to finish the workout. Right now. Come on. Drop it and pop it. Let's go. Come on, guys. You have this. You are stronger than you know. 15 seconds and we're done. Come on. Work, 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 work,
Keep
work.
working.
Almost there. 10 and we're done. Come on, guys. Almost home. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that's it. Nice job, everyone. Woo. We did it. All right. Assume the shoeless position. Kick your shoes off. Go ahead and lay flat on your back. Let's kick the right leg over and across your body. Stretch out that lower back. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Fitness. Oh, yeah. Woo. And let's hit the other side. Woo. Now get your palms facing up. Should feel a nice stretch in your pec on that side. Woo. That was fun. Yeah. I do not have the mental capacity to go there today.
Yeah.
That's a workout where you can definitely shave like a minute and 30 seconds off of what we just did.
Yeah.
but it will just feel a lot worse, and I didn't have the wherewithal to do it today.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
That first minute.
Flat on your back. Grab below the one leg active hamstring stretch here. Go ahead,
First
sir.
set of 21 was like, it would have just taken going a tiny bit faster in the burpees.
Yeah, yeah.
To be.
Right.
And then I need to hold on to the dumbbells for 2 more reps.
And switch. How many times did you break it up?
So the set of 21, I did, I think 12 and 9.
Okay.
And I think that was smart
Yeah.
for me.
Yeah.
The way I work.
Sit on up. Palms on the ground behind you. Stretch out the pecs.
And then the set of 15, like I wanted to do 8 and 7.
Uh-huh.
I ended up doing like 8, 5, 2.
Oh.
So it's just like
Yeah.
my lower back.
Dumb little transition time, yeah.
Yeah. My lower back was just blowing up a little bit. But I think honestly I could have, if I just had been a little mentally tougher.
Sure.
I could have held on for all 15.
That's honestly what CrossFit comes down to. Is like how hard do you want to go? Like I think we're both physically capable of finishing this workout under 6 minutes, but it's just you want to tap into it. I didn't want to tap into it today. All right, guys, go ahead. Pull one leg behind you. Lie down if you can. Otherwise, hang out in sexy pose. Now, there are plenty of strong guys and girls out there. Plenty of good moving folks out there, but the folks who win championships are the ones who can just tap into that place and go hard no matter what. I think Matt Frazier, the year after he won, he went down and trained with Rich Froning, the former champion, at his facility, and he was like looking for the secret sauce, like what is this guy doing that everyone else isn't doing? And there's no real secret to the program, and go ahead and switch. If you're doing functional stuff and going hard, you're doing the right stuff, but the key is treating every workout like it's competition, and that's what separates good athletes from the elite, is being able to go to that mental place every time.
Yeah, that they'll always finish this kind of workout in 4 minutes.
Yeah, and feel like they're gonna die. Yeah. But for the rest of us humans, we're just doing this so that we can eat some cookies, drink some wine.
And look good while doing
That's it. When you're at the beach this summer, no one's gonna ask what your friend time was, but they'll be like, hey, what do you do for fitness? Cool. All right, go ahead.
Just kidding.
I do Pilates. All right, go ahead and bring the legs back together, guys. Let's finish it up. Down at the bottom of a squat, let's do some stripper deadlifts here. Let's do 3. A lot of lower back work today. Press into the floor, slow roll it up. Feel those hamstrings. Whew. That's all right. It's all right. Strippers need a day off too. Whew. All right, guys, finish it up. Bottom of a squat. Right hand down, left hand up. Reach for the sky. And switch. And switch. And last time switch. Both hands go up. 3, 2, 1. Stand it up. Woo! Awesome job, everybody. We survived another hard week of stuff. Awesome job. Zoomers. You guys are great. Have a great day. See you guys later. All right. Awesome work, friends. Drink lots of water today. It's going to be 1,000 degrees.
Yeah.